Alrighty, let's get to the good stuff. Now that we have covered the basic of generative AI, it's time to tackle conversational AI. Love what you're learning? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a lesson from your Customer Academy. This is the upgrade that makes chatbots smarter, smoother, and honestly, way less annoying.
Well, that's annoying.
In this lesson, we're breaking down the 5 key elements that power conversational AI. First of all, training, generative AI, responses, intents, and properties. By the hand, you will see how these pieces work together to create human-like customer interaction. Sounds good? Let's dive in. First, training, laying the foundation. You will hear me saying a lot about training in the next lessons.
I was training.
And there is a reason why. Think of this as setting your AI up for success. You teach it by feeding it high-quality information. Things like FAQs, product details, common customer questions. This becomes your AI's knowledge base. Its go-to source for delivering accurate responses. Here's the cool part. You don't have to teach it every possible way someone might ask a question. For example, whether a customer asks, how do I reset my password? Or I forgot my password. Generative AI can figure out that both mean the same thing. What really matters, that your knowledge base is reliable, accurate, and up-to-date. But training isn't a one-and-done deal. It's like taking care of a plant. You've got to keep watering it. You will need to update your knowledge base regularly, review how your AI is responding, and fine-tune it over time. We'll dig into this process more in a future lesson, so stick around. Second, generative AI. Generative AI is the engine behind conversational AI's smooth, human-like responses. Unlike old-school chatbots that stick to scripts, generative AI creates answers on the spot, using context from the conversation. Here's an example. A customer asks, how do I upgrade my account? Then follows up with, will that cost extra? Generative AI doesn't just give a random answer. It looks at the full conversation and crafts something specific, like explaining upgrade pricing in detail. Pretty cool, right? Third, responses. Crafting the right answer. Let's talk about responses. This is where everything comes together. Once the AI processes a customer's question, it generates an answer. This is where training, context, intents, and the properties all work their magic together. For example, a customer asks, how do I add user to my account? The AI pulls info from your knowledge base and responds. Go to account settings, user management, and click add user. Clear, right? But here's what makes it special. It's not just about answering. It's about making the answer feel tailored to the conversation. When the AI gets this right, it feels natural and helpful. 4. Intents. Understanding the why. Now, let's talk about intents. This is the why behind a customer's question. For example, how do I reset my password? Can you help me with a password reset? Both are phrased differently. They share the same intent, password reset. By recognizing intents, the AI can categorize questions accurately, no matter how they are worded. This is what makes interactions feel intuitive and smooth, like the AI actually gets what you mean. 5. Finally, let's talk about properties. Properties are the details that add context to a customer question. For example, if a customer asks, can I upgrade to the Pro plan next month? The intent is upgrade, but the property is Pro plan. Properties let the AI deliver responses that are specific to the customer's need. Think of intents as the what and the property as the which. Together, they make responses feel targeted and personalized. These 5 elements are what make conversational AI powerful. By keeping your AI updated, monitoring for hallucination, and refining its training, you will create a support system that feels effortless and smart. Ready to see in action? In the next lesson, we will dive into how conversational AI reduces response times, boosts efficiency, and create an experience your customers will love. See you there.